It really is a beautiful spot around here. This is one of my favourite areas. It's on the slopes of Dinas. I didn't go right to the top today because I thought it was going to be very cold, but it's actually a glorious day. Uh, it's very peaceful up here. I come here to sit and meditate in the summer. Uh, Gives me a lot of creative inspiration for writing. I thought it'd be nice to have a more panoramic view of Cannibalt Beach. What I don't understand is, they say it's the remotest beach in Aberystwyth, but I don't find it lonely at all. I find it quite wild and dramatic. And it's really a nice place here for deep contemplation. I sometimes go to the top of Dinas in the summer when it's very hot and everything, and it's a lot cooler up there. So it really is a gorgeous spot. I hope you enjoyed that.